This is a programming module, and the programming language that we will be using is C++. All right, by way of introduction, I'm TP Govender. Some of you know me. I taught you last year CPIT 101. For those of you who don't know me, you'll get to know my style, lecturing, and how I go with it. First and foremost, we've been sharing information on a WhatsApp group. I'd like to know, anybody does not have access to the WhatsApp group? Anybody? Anyone? All of you have access to the WhatsApp group. Great. Next question. Do you have access to our online GDB classroom?
What's
Hello?
that?
Oh, okay. If you're asking me what's that, then you don't have access to that. So if you look at, I'm going to share that in the group. There's it out there, online GDB. Sharing my screen. Do you have access? No. If you don't, I'm going to give you access to that classroom. Go to the online, go to your WhatsApp group and click on the link. There's some people have access to it. It's no, that's not it. Kyla should not be here. Right. The 250 numbers should not be here. Right. Okay, I'm going to invite the students to access the classroom. Please click on this link in the chat group. Oops, not that link. The online classroom link. Copy. Right. Please join me in the online classroom. I posted the link in the chat. Can you please click on the chat? It says onlinegdb.com/classroom.
What is this for, sir?
It's an online classroom. It's where you will post your assignments. It's like Moodle, but only for programming.
Oh, okay.
Can you just follow my instruction? Just click on that link, please. And when you are creating is Tyrone in this class? Or Kiev? Snare, is this you? Hello, Snare.
Hello, sir.
How are you, Snare?
I'm good, and how are you?
Well, thank you. Snare, do you remember me from last year?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Snare, I want you to do the following. I would like you to change this Snare. I want you to put down your student number, your surname and initials, all right? Just like how this student has it, Siberko.
Oh,
Snare,
that's
can you do that for me?
That's not
Snare?
That's not me.
Snare? Hello, Snare?
Sir, that's not chamber.
Snare, can you?
Snake. Snake.
If it's a
Snake.
and
Can you hear everybody? Snake.
just using ball.
Okay. I gather some students want to be a little bit funny. Actually, I'm going to delete you from this classroom because that's not the way I want it to be. I want you to have, right, C Zulu or Kulu. 224939997. Excellent. That's how I'd like it to be. Right? I don't want Sifundu. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that because that's not the way I want you to register on this course. I want your student number, your surname and initial. K Ramdari. Who's that? Can you put your initial, your surname first and then your initial? This is how you do it. You click on the name on the top. Click on it. And then you click on edit. And you change the name on the top. Okay? Mr. Ramdari, can you?
Yes, I did it.
You did it. Okay, let me have a look. I'm waiting for the rest of the students to join me. I've only got 13 students online. Right, Sibeko HL, that's correct. ASQ, can you put your surname first and then your initials, please? Hadebe is correct. Naya TJ. Hey, this name sounds familiar. Who's Naya TJ? I'm going to delete Fanele.
Even the signature.
I don't want Apelele. I'm going to delete that because I need your surname and initials. This one is Andiswa. I'm going to delete that because, again, I'll need your surname, your student number, surname, and initials. This is good. This is good. Well done. Sharesi NP. Can you put your student number first and then your surname and initials, please? Snare, I'm going to delete you. I don't want your first name. I want your student number because that's how I'm going to. Madansela, I'm going to delete that as well because I want your student number, surname. I'm going to delete this one. Ngubani, I'm deleting you because I don't want it like that. Student number, surname. Come on, I only have about. Are you going to have? There's 82 students on the call. How are you going to do today's work? today's assignment. So here's the assignment for you guys, right? So COMP201, I'm going to add an assignment. And the assignment is going to say the following. Going to say, write a C++ program to say, hello, my name is, well, not my name. You're going to put hello, my name is your name. You're going to fill in your name there, right? Hello, my name is, right? And it is due today. It's due today, which is the 19th, and it is due at 4:30. Right? Content. Telling you what it's all about. It's a C++ program. The grading is off. And I'm going to lock the assignment. And the code is I love C++ programming. Save it. And now I'm going to publish this program. I'm going to preview it. Hello, my name is, that's what I want in the program. And I'm going to show you how to do that, right? Let's publish this. All right, so I'm going to publish that into I'm posting the group of list of students. Okay, so talk to me, students. Are you able to access the classroom? I've got 89 students on the call. 89 students, talk to me. I'll unmute.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes. Please can I ask how do you add yourself to the? I missed the part where you add yourself to the, where you send your assignment. When you
I
do
haven't.
assignment.
All right. You are. Can you mute? I'm hearing an echo out there. Okay, so you cannot do the assignment until you join the class. It's like you can't.
It's asking like how do I add myself to the class, because I missed that part.
Did you come in late?
Yes.
Okay. Start with that one, sir. I came in late.
So
I didn't
sorry,
consider this
sir.
lecture important enough.
No, sir. I consider the lecture important, sir.
Okay, if it's important, then you should have been here half an hour early.
I'm sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Okay. Just remember this as well when you're going out on a date. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't make the girl wait 20 minutes for you.
I won't, sir. Thank you for the
Right?
advice.
Okay. So you need to click on the link.
Yes.
Right? You go to the chat. There's the chat. It says onlinegdb.com. Click on that link. It's also in the WhatsApp group. It's on the WhatsApp group.
Yes, I've clicked the link.
Good.
Good.
I've got 31
I've got
students
31
enrolled.
students enrolled.
Well done. Look
Well
at that.
done. Look at that.
I'm going to
I'm
delete
going
the
to delete the
student
student
because I want his
I want his
student number,
student number,
his surname, and his
surname,
initial.
and his initial.
I'm also going
I'm
to
also
delete
going
the
to delete the
student,
student, Londiwe.
There's no
There's
student
no
number.
student number.
I'm going to
I'm
delete
going
the
to delete the
student
student
because I want his
because I
student
want
number,
a student number,
surname, and
surname,
initials.
and initials.
I'm deleting that
Deleting
student.
that student,
Same reason.
same reason.
Andile.
Andile.
I'm deleting
I'm
you.
deleting you.
Musa Zondo. I'm going to delete you because you need to have your student number and surname. The same thing with this student. To delete the student. Musa Zondo, I'm deleting you. Right, now in order to change your, I only have how many now? About 30 odd students. To change your name, I'm going to mention this to you again. You click on the name on the left-hand side, top left-hand side, and you click on edit. You click inside this dialog box and you change the name accordingly. So you'll put your student number, your surname and initials, and then you'll click on update. Okay. Right. Yes, question.
The password for entering the thing that you upload.
You cannot change them. I can't hear you. Okay. Right. While we're waiting for the rest of the students to do that, let's continue with our lesson, right? So the lesson is, you are second year students. I'll go slightly faster than what I would do with my first year group of students. So this is the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. And the language that we are using is C++. Okay? So let's go and change the language out here to the source code that says C++. So we're going to program in C++. Let's look for the language, where it selects the language. Share, window, right. All right, my compiler is, there we go. Can you see on the top right-hand side, it says language out there? Is it Ms. Ramdari? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right, can you see that it says language on the top? What do you see on your screen?
Yes, C language.
Can you see it on the top? It says C language. I want you to select C++.
You already did that.
Great, you've done that. Keep your mic on if you don't mind.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to explain to you each line of code, basically, what it means. And I'm going to, at the end of this 30 minutes, you should be able to write your own program. So who am I speaking to now? Your mic is on. Is it Ramdari?
Yeah.
First name?
Kiev.
Kiev, right. Kiev. Line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's called comment statements. In this programming environment, the comment statement simply tells me what I am doing, what I'm working with, right? Or it gives me some information about my program. In this case, it says, welcome to Online GDB. Online GDB is a compiler and debugger tool for C, C++, Python, Java. Those are all the programming languages. But we are only going to concentrate on C++, okay? Kiev?
Yes, sir.
In line number 9, this is a program statement that if I don't have it, it's not going to work, right? So take it as if it's very, very important. Line number 10 is simply a blank line. I don't need to have that blank line. I could have taken out that blank line if I wanted to. That simply makes the program more readable by having a blank line in there. Line number 11 is where I start. In fact, it's the main man, the main function. Line number 12 is like the starting of the program that we're talking about, right? Our coding statements. And line number 13 is where I end my function. So there's a beginning and an end. Line number 13, in fact, I could have put this line on the top over there. I could have written it like that, right? But I want it to look pretty. I want it to look beautiful. So I click on the beautify button on the top. And when I click on the beautify button, it makes it look pretty. And I can have some extra lines in between there. That just simply makes the program a little bit more readable. It does not affect the running of the program. All right, Kiev?
Got it.
Right. Now, in order to run this program, on the top right-hand side, it says run. So I'm going to click on the run button. When I click on the run button, at the bottom of the line, it says, hello world. Kiev?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, sorry, sir.
Yes.
You're not sharing the correct screen. The only thing we see here is the students who has not submitted their.
Oh no! Oh no! Thank you, thank you.
But your screen is
Why-
not showing what you're explaining exactly.
Kiev, Kiev.
I think they don't understand, so I think they have to start up with the
Yeah.
because all
Okay,
the
Kiev.
ones.
Kiev.
I was looking at my screen, sir.
Who am I speaking to? I can't see the name. Name?
It's Amashe Hateb.
Amashle. Right, Amashle. Watch. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, your screen is showing now, sir.
Thank you, Amashle. Amashle, keep your mic on.
Okay, sir.
Right, let's do it again. Amashle,
Yes,
on
sir.
the top right-hand side, can you see it says language? And the language that I'm going to select is C++. Right, it was in language C and it's C++. Amashle, can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
Right. So I'm not talking Zulu. I'm not talking Afrikaans. I'm not talking Xhosa or anything of that sort. I am talking C++. Okay, Amashle?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I'm basically giving you the structure of a program. Okay? I'm throwing you into the deep end. I'm not doing a PowerPoint presentation, all of that. I'm just throwing you into the deep end into what this program is all about and what it's doing, right? So in line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Those are called comment statements, right, Amashle? Can you see that?
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Line number 9, it's actually a library function that we are importing it into this code of that we are talking about, right?
Yes.
Line number 10 is a blank line. That's all it is, a blank line. Line number 11 is where I'm initializing my function and I'm starting it up, right?
Yes.
Line number 12, it's like an open curly bracket, meaning, hey, I'm starting my coding. Line number 13, I'm simply displaying the words hello world. Don't worry about what STD means and C out and all of that, right? Line number 15 says return 0. Don't worry about that for now. And line number 17 closes the program. Now, in order for me to run the program, I'm going to click on the run button, the green button. Amashle, can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
I'm going to click on it right with my mouse button. When I click on it, Amashle, at the bottom of the screen, it says hello world. Do you see that, Amashle?
Yes, I do.
Right. Now, what you need to do is you need to take the word world out and you put AMAHLE. Is that all right? Is that how you spell your name, Amashle?
Yes.
Right. Now I'm going to run the program. Hello, Amashle. Amashle.
Hello, sir.
Ah, okay. Now watch this. What I'm going to do now, right? I'm going to say, I don't know what this means, but I'm just going to copy it, right? Amashle,
Yes, sir.
what does it say at the bottom of the screen?
Pardon, sir, please.
What does it say at the bottom of the screen?
Hello, Amashle. How are you?
How are you, Amashle?
I'm well, thank you. How about you?
I'm excellent now that Amashle and I are on the same wavelength and we are doing an online lecture, right?
Okay.
So if I wanted to add more lines of code, say I'm using a nice big word now,